So we're going to look at stories through Roblox, and here we're in Grow a Garden. What I want us to think about is that storytelling is world building. We start with what looks like an empty plot. We don't have any ideas yet, so we're going to need to establish the world of the story. So, what do we need? Well, we need to create a setting. The setting is where, the place, and the time that the story is set. We're also going to need to introduce a character, and that might be a main character, a protagonist. We have here a main character and at the moment an empty plot. So I'm going to begin my story, if it's a traditional story, by establishing the setting and the character. When we establish at the beginning of a story the world of the story, the background to that world, then we call it an exposition. It's introducing the character, the setting, and the rules of that world. I'm going to take you through and give you an example. Here we go. Here's the world of my story. We've now got a setting. We can see the mood. We can get a sense of the atmosphere, the place, the time, and so on. Now, in my story here, you can see there are magical elements. There are magical creatures. There are things that don't take place in the real world. So here we also know the genre is going to have some kind of fairy tale or fantasy element to it. Do you see? We want to establish the world of your story quite quickly to engage the reader. So when we talk about creating a story, we're talking about this kind of world building. So what are the words we're going to need? We need to think about setting, which is the time and place. We need to think about the character. Who is the main character? And we need to think about how we establish the genre and the world of this story.